so cute, girl. I see you, sis. Period. So don't mind my hair. My hair looks a little mess because I'm in class, but she still took a break, but she's still talking. Anyways, guys, I just want to add this in. I just got my mail and I checked in my box and I got a package. So it finally came. I've been waiting for this for a while, but it's big. Like,
thank you.
It's big and it has a different name on the package, so I'm not really sure why it's big. I'm pretty sure it's probably paper, but we're gonna open it up together and we're gonna find out, sis. We're about to find out what your girl got in this big old package. I ordered one of the items for my hair. So we're gonna see. Y'all see how big this package is? Oh, let me not show my freaking address. The girl be getting happy when I get packages. I paid $75 for this too, y'all. $75. I'm gonna say it's a pretty package. Like, look at all those flowers. Roses, I mean. You see some big clothes. Sis. What is this in here? I ain't ordered one thing. It's the only thing I ordered. And I got more stuff. This thing is huge, y'all. It is worth $75. This thing is huge. Look at this. It got my name on the package, so I know it ain't the wrong package, unless she just, because it took so long for my stuff to come in, so it's like, did she send me some free stuff for convenience?
I learned my mistake. Back window time. Alright,
Guys, I am back after class, so, yeah, there's more things in here. I only ordered this Crimp iron right here, which I haven't. Did I take it out? Let's see. This little. Ooh. I'm scared. This thing is really big. She told me it was bigger than the last one she used to sell. This is really cute. They got the little button right here. And I think this is the power button. Okay, the light is on. Yeah, I don't feel no heat yet. I feel a little something. Yeah, it's getting hot. It ain't getting hot faster like I wanted to, but it's getting hot. I can feel some heat. I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want to get real hot and I burn my finger. I just want to make sure the heat is like good. The heat level. Woo! Okay. This is how it is. Basically. Period, sis. Okay, so you're gonna sit this down. This big old thing here. The reason why I got it is because I have the little rhinestone bedazzle. I like to be real fancy with my stuff. So I paid $75 for it. But I'm trying to see what else she sent me in here. I think her logo sticker had fell off the bag. I want to show y'all it. It's a paper. And it just got my address and stuff on it with the item that I bought, which is called a Bougie Boss Crimpers. It was a pre-order, and I was texting her like, when my order it's been like almost over a month. Hello. And she's like, I'm so sorry, it was a pre-order and they were supposed to been sent it to her, blah blah blah, but they never did. So I was glad she let me know, because some people don't let you know what's going on with your package. Like, I'm waiting for another girl to text me back. And it's from her closet stuff, so she should have been, whatever. Anyways, what is this? It's a polka dot something. I don't do polka dots for real no more. But this looks like a bed item or something. Okay, it looks like a romper. It's a size medium, but it might be big. It might be big on me because it looks like it's gonna be big. But I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna have it on the side right there. So on the back, it has its back out, which I like my back out to be a lot. I don't know if she looked at my Instagram or something, because I didn't order this stuff, or if she gave it away. I don't know. But I'm gonna text her after this video and I'm gonna let her know, hey, thank you so much. I don't know if you meant to send this stuff, but thank you. Hopefully, I'm scared to text her because I'm like, I don't know if she meant to do this or not. It has my name on it. I don't know if she meant to do it or if it was a courtesy gift or whatever. I don't know, but I'm gonna just send her a thank you for these items. Try it on later. And the next item I have unexpectedly is, so it says That's So Ghetto, dolled up by Jazz. This is what it says. I don't know. Okay. It has her face on it. I'm weak. Oh my god. This is my first time receiving free clothes from somebody. Like, I feel special. Y'all don't know how much I'm like, oh my gosh. This could really be me in the future receiving free clothes from companies or brands and me promoting their stuff. Like, I'll be more than happy to do this. And she didn't tell me nothing at all. She just sent it to me. And she sent my size in the other one. This is a size medium as well. I don't know. She watched my YouTube video. I don't know, y'all. But she sent me my exact size. I wear a small sometimes, but I also wear medium. So this is really like, oh my gosh. I don't know if she's gonna do a video on her stuff or what. But when I open packages, I like to record them, obviously. So she probably knew, okay, let me just get her. But look at this. I'm so happy. Yes, sis, get it, boo. This is so cute. I love glitter stuff. So her, like, this is so cute. I don't have my tripod light on today, but hopefully y'all can really see. I'm when I do my when I try this stuff on, I'm gonna have it in front of my lit light or whatever. But this is so cute. I like it. Like, got the earrings saying it. This is so glittery. And she's a picture of her. I think it's like a cartoon or whatever. But this is so cute, girl. I see you, sis. Period. Get that brand out. Dolled up by who? Jazz. Period. So my last item she sent me for free. It's a medium as well. And it has pink and I think gray. I don't know what this is. I'm a little scared. Is this a romper too or a shirt? Oh, it's a set. I love me some sets, baby. So basically, it's just a plain shirt. It look like my
Stop it. Get some help.
Like it might be a little bit big, but I don't know. So this is like a lounge, I guess, a chill type of set. And she basically just sent me this shirt. And remember, it's a size medium. And then she also sent me these shorts. They'll fit me good. They're like, look like they might be a little baggy or whatever, but it's cute. So this is the bottom. So shot with Dolled Up by Jazz. Period, sis. It's really cute. I like how the color. I like how it's half and half. First of all, half and half is really cute. So yes, sis, I'm gonna be wearing it. Period. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all check out her. I'm gonna have her Instagram link at the bottom, or her website. I don't think she has a website yet, but I'll put her link down below so y'all can go shop with her. Ooh. Yeah, I'm so happy. Like, she sent me some free stuff. I don't know if it was a bundle, nothing, but the thing online said $75 for just that. I had to keep checking, like, is this really for me? Like, thank you. It say my name, my number, and my email, order number, and all. I'm gonna take it as a gift. Just a little shocked. I was like, when I went to the mailbox, I was just looking like, well, I got a big old package. Why is a pretty rose, pink rose package in my mailbox? I don't remember ordering no clothes or whatever. I just got back ordering clothes today. I mean yesterday. So I'm like, I know it ain't coming that fast. So why does this package look big in the mailbox? But it's her stuff all along. I'm like, Dollar About Jazz? Who's Dollar About Jazz? The only thing I was waiting on really is the crimp iron. I know the crimp iron don't take up that much space in the bag. And I thought it was gonna be some paper, some wrapping paper or whatever to make sure it doesn't break or whatever. It's still hot, y'all, and it's not even plugged up. I guess heating down, cooling down. But yeah. And then she sent this. It says, we selfies. We love selfies. Tag us at Dubjinventory. Dolled Up by Jazz Inventory. I just realized what that was. When I first found her, I had looked at a YouTube video and it was reviewing the crimp iron basically and had her name in it or whatever, and I was like, okay. And then it says, thank you for shopping and not bopping. And then it has all of her contact info. And then, so her website is going to be www.dolledupbyjazz.com or .co is what it says on here. So y'all go shop with her. Period, sis. I'm still a little surprised, but I'm thankful. She was my first brand, or first person that sent me free stuff besides the crimp iron. I paid for that. So yes, sis. That is all I have for this unboxing today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have more hauls. This is just like a mini something. I just wanted to show y'all what I had, and it was longer than what I expected because I got the other stuff. So I thank her for that, and I will see you guys in my next video, my next haul video. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back from work. Don't mind the lace. It's time for the hair to come out. It's been like 2.5 weeks since this lace all coming up for work, right? I have not done this before, so we're gonna try this. This is how they came out. Again, I did not have it on my hair a long time, so it could be better results if I would have let it stay longer. Of course, I could have sectioned it off better as well, but I'm just playing with it right now to see a little result. Period. Anyways, guys, let's end my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. It's your girl KIMASHANI to 1K. I am currently at 818. I want to be able to get to 1K. Help you girl out. I do and will appreciate the support that you guys give me. One subscriber can get me closer to my dreams. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.